Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
First, obtain a cotton candy machine as a furniture item from the shop, seasonal vendor, or recipe list and place it where guests can access it. Gather the crafting components, one sugar item and one flavor ingredient like strawberry or lemon per cotton candy. Check inventory and ensure one cooking or crafting slot is free. If needed, buy missing ingredients with Dreamlight or swap items from storage. Position the machine in your home or plaza to attract villagers and stand next to the placed cotton candy machine and interact to open the crafting menu. Select the cotton candy recipe from the list of available treats. Add one sugar item and one flavor ingredient into the recipe slots, then press confirm to begin crafting. The machine will show a timer. You can wait or reduce time using kitchen or machine upgrades that lower craft duration by a percentage. When the timer ends, the fresh cotton candy will appear ready to collect from the machine. When crafting completes, collect the cotton candy and either store it in your inventory or place it on a stall or display to sell. Selling cotton candy to villagers or plaza customers yields Dreamlight, and gifting cotton candy to neighbors provides friendship XP toward relationship levels. You can also use cotton candy as a party or event food to boost mood and fulfill quest objectives that request sweet treats. Keep extra ingredients stocked to maintain a steady supply for sales, gifts, and quests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.